Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to turn off Face ID for App Store on iPhone. So if each time you're trying to download or get any application on the App Store on your iPhone, it requires your Face ID and Apple account, then this video is going to walk you through how you can easily disable this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to turn off Face ID for App Store in iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, I'm going to scroll down until you get to Face ID and passcode, and then click on that. Once you click on Face ID and passcode, you'll be prompted to type in your iPhone passcode, so go ahead and type in the passcode. Then after that, you'll be taken to the Face ID and passcode settings, locate Use Face ID for, and then disable iTunes and App Store. Once you disable that, you may be prompted to confirm your Apple ID account or not, and once you have that turned off, then you're good to go. So when next you want to download any application from the App Store, you'll not be prompted to use your Face ID to confirm the download again. So that is basically how you can easily turn off Face ID for App Store in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.